What it do, everybody? If you got this far, I hope you already subscribed, and I hope you already liked and share this, and hit that notification bell up top so you get notified every time you get a video from me. I want to make a quick video real quick to let y'all know that I'm at 100 subscribers. Congratulations. God, that's crazy. Anyway, this Friday I will be cash apping one person. One of my 100 subscribers, I will be cash apping you instantly. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it easy for everybody. Go to my Instagram. Link is below. Go to my Instagram, DM me your Cash App information. Once you do that, you'll automatically be entered for this Friday for your chance to get Cash App $100. We will be doing this until we reach our goals. Next goal is 500 subscribers. I'm sorry about that. 500 subscribers. So 500 subscribers, you know the money goes up. Either way around, let somebody know about this channel, man, because we're going to keep turning up and we're going to keep giving y'all fire, fire, fire. So, if you haven't already, like, comment, share, subscribe, and get ready for a movement.